Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X200 FE and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, because if you will decide that you want to download the update, then those files actually are quite large, and thanks to using Wi-Fi you can avoid some charges. So internet connection, and then let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system update. As you can see here, you've got the notification. If you can see this this red dot, it means that you've got the update available. It is also set right here. So let's simply tap on it. And normally, after tapping on the system update, your device will check for the updates. That's why we need the internet connection. And basically, you can meet two different scenarios. The first one, where your device is up to date and there's nothing to download, it will show you relevant information. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.